Okay, so this is my diorama. I actually made it a couple years ago, so I just used this one so I didn't have to make a whole new one. So my diorama is obviously made of clay, and then we used paint to kind of show the different layers and stuff like that. These are the only ones I had to label, but I will every other one that's not on here is on the diorama as well. So there's the continental slope, the continental shelf, the mid-ocean range. Obviously you can see the volcano from the red and yellow lava that I painted on there. There is seamounts you can see. There's the abyssal plain down below. And those are all of the features. You can also see the continental margins in this, the abyssal plain and the mid-ocean ranges. On your left side, there's going to be the active continental margin, and on your right, there's going to be the passive continental margin. Obviously, your plate tectonics, your ocean ridges are going to be made from plates moving together. Your trenches are going to be made from plates moving apart. And that is all I have for y'all today.